Today's video cast spell non-stop. This guide teaches you how to install the 1 second cooldown mod and use it safely in Hogwarts Legacy. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down under new, select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR, and then open the Epic Games launcher and select the three dot icon next to Hogwarts Legacy and select manage and select this open install location. Open the Phoenix folder, content folder, packs folder. If in our case mods folder doesn't created, then check my video description for this text. Just copy the text and create a new folder like this and open the mods folder and let's just drag and drop this pack file and just close tab here and launch the game. Now there is 1 second cooldown for every spells you use. So the game is more interesting after using this mod for sure. As you can see, so any spells it will be cooled down in 1 second. So I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.